So my Increase Your Sales with Photos challenge is happening again, but this time I am doing it as a workshop. So this is going to be a 1 hour live workshop done inside my Facebook group. And it's going to be happening on the 13th of October at 1 p.m. Eastern Australian Standard Time. So this is the perfect program if you are struggling with your photos for your e-commerce site. So what we're going to be covering is the 3 ways photos increase your business revenue, 3 elements you can use to master the perfect photo, and the 3 steps that you need to take beautiful photos. Now, the link is in the description to sign up for this challenge. And you need to sign up because if you sign up, you get access to a whole load of free trainings and also all of the slides that I'm going to be using throughout the presentation. So you'll get access to them to keep them forever. And I'll probably give out a few more freebies as well. So make sure you go and you click on that link now to sign up for this challenge. And if you have any friends or family that you think will also benefit from this challenge, make sure you also let them know about it. So that is it. That was just a quick announcement I had for you guys. And I look forward to seeing you all inside the workshop. Bye-bye.